Well, welcome back. Week 5. Renovating the barn. Yesterday it felt like spring. As you can see today it's gray, misty, and we're gonna get another couple of days of snow. So, so this morning I went to order materials. Now I prepare the space that I'm gonna get a lot of cement, glue, sand. At least we can start with the new floor. Yeah, prepare some wood. You know, when it snows, they cannot arrive with the truck, so better today while it's still dry. I made a few adjustments because I thought I had more space here for the kitchen, but I don't. So I have to make a longer kitchen, and I changed the entrance to the bathroom from here. That means I can change the type of shower. It will be a walk-in shower. We still have some concrete left, so let's see where I have space to throw a little bit of extra concrete. Hey, here there's a lot. Right. Hinge. Must have been some barn door. Alright. It's a bit of a start. Tomorrow we'll put down the drains. Then I have to go and check for the doors and the windows. Alright. Come on. Well, the cat left her mark too. His mark. Look at it. Madonna. So, the objective for the week has been reached. The first concrete slab is in. All the drains are connected. Well, that one will be reconnected because I need to get behind. The coming week we'll put the second floor with Cupolex. That's to keep the airflow underneath. And then reinforced concrete on top, another 3-4 centimeters, but I have a friend who will come and help me out for a day so we can put the whole floor in one day. That's a lot easier, a lot faster. Besides, this kind of job, you know, it's, if you are in two, you can switch a little bit, making concrete, bringing it inside, etc., etc. If you are alone, one mixer, 3 wheelbarrows, sit, distribute, back another mixer, etc. It takes a little bit more time. And we have time, that's not a problem, but still it's nicer if you can do certain things in a day. And I have to order more material. Made a calculation for the bricks, because I'm going to use bricks to make the walls. And of course, to make the airflow work, I need to make a couple of openings. Put some tubes there, down there, to make another opening for the wood stove, for the sauna. Anyway, if I can get that second floor in for next week, then I'm really happy and things are moving pretty fast. Snow yesterday, rain today, but there was like a window of opportunity, like 4 hours, it was dry, so I managed to put in this piece. And now it's raining again, so I'm going to take a shower and create some warmth inside the house again. Ciao, see you next week. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.